Okay, let me give you a quick boondocking tip for both the seasoned and the rookies. Notice you have gas, water, and you have electric water heater. When you boondock or dry camp, you do not turn on the electric. You turn on the gas. Evidently, after 10 years of doing this, I still have issues. But it worked out because we were still 97% on our lithium batteries. But repeat after me. Electric is for hookups. And gas is for boondocking. Boondocking, hookup. Boondocking, hookup. I hope this settles it for everybody. Hope everybody has safe travels, and let's make some memories.